Hey guys, your girl Brittany here. Something went wrong with my video, so I am doing a voiceover here, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I went ahead and got the Cricut Joy. Yay! I've been debating about getting it for a while, and actually I wanted to wait until like Black Friday to see if it would go on sale, but then my husband's saying with everything going on, there's been a shortage, so he was going to initially get it for me anyway, and so, I went to Target and picked it up. You can get it, of course, Michael's and stuff like that. But I had, gift cards and coupons and everything. So, that's why I went ahead and got it from Target. But, yeah, I'm super excited. I have ordered additional mats. This isn't a bundle piece that you would get from HSN or Joann's or anything. So, it just comes with, all the standard stuff that it's supposed to come with. And so I ordered additional mats and stuff like that through Amazon. So I'm going to wait for those before I do my own personal review. I am going to get it all. I'm going to do some little projects and probably some tutorials and my point of view on how I like it. I did start out with Cricut products. Right now I currently have a Cameo. But I did start off with the Cricut Explorer Air 2, and then I sold it and got a Cameo instead because there were a few things that I wanted to do that I couldn't do on the Cricut without having to do additional things opposed to being able to do it on Cameo. But I miss my Cricut so much. I feel that it is very user-friendly, and I guess I'm probably being a little biased because I did start out with that one. But otherwise, here I am just going to open it up and we are going to see the contents that this initially comes with. So you guys know that if you don't get a bundle with the Cricut Joy, you at least know what the standard things it comes with inside here. So the first thing here is a little packet thing that says "Open Me," and then of course you have your Cricut Joy machine itself. Also, on the inside of the box, you have a little pin that it comes with, and then of course your plug-in tools. This is a machine that has no buttons on it, so everything is done through Bluetooth. And so you just have to make sure that you have a reliable resource to do all your stuff. So whether you're using your phone app, the tablet app, or a laptop. I had this machine, I had bought it about a week ago, and I was holding off on doing an unboxing because my laptop is sick, and it's a laptop that I usually do all my stuff on. So, but I went ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and go through it. So inside the little Open Me pamphlet, you have your standard grid mat. This fits, I believe, 4 by 6.5. And then you have your little manual. It comes with a little card insert. And then you have a little sample of a vinyl. And with the vinyl for the Cricut Joy, it's called Smart Vinyl. And this allows you to go matless, just like you would on the Cameo 3 or 4, and but you can't do it with regular vinyl. You can only do the Smart Vinyl. I've been watching videos to make sure, so you can only do it with the Smart Vinyl. But then you have all your little setup pieces and everything, and your little user manual. Also, the blade that it comes with is a standard blade for the Cricut Joy. You cannot switch it between, your Cricut Explorer 2 or Cricut Maker or anything, and vice versa. So the blade that it comes with is the one that it fits only for your Cricut Joy, and a replacement blade is through the Cricut site is $12.99. So of course, you could probably find it on sale at your local craft stores or even on Amazon. So, but yeah, this is the stuff that came with. Again, guys, I'm just waiting on those additional mats so I can show you some of the cards that they automatically come with. They show you how they cut and play around with things, and probably do a couple small tutorials on how to decorate certain things as well. So again, sorry I had to do a voiceover on this video. I'm not sure what had happened with my webcam, but I'll make sure I get that fixed before I do any other additional videos or before I go ahead and do a review of the product. So thank you so much, guys. You know, I love it when we hang out, and I'll just check you out in the next video. Bye.